So this Siemens product is a French door designed American style fridge freezer. What we mean by that is it's much easier to get very large items in. So if you've got a salmon on a plate or a big platter full of sandwiches or just something that's wide, you can actually get it in easily. A lot of Americans are very, very thin. You can see from that stainless steel rear wall there, that's what they call a dry wall. So this is a completely frost-free system. That doesn't get wet and it doesn't freeze up. So if things touch that, it really doesn't matter. The freezers are down there as well. And basically they bring up cold air through those vents to get this very cold very quickly. So it will return to temperature very quickly and very efficiently. Here you've got your typical salad hydrator. It's a humid area. It will make fruit and veggies last a long, long time and is very useful. I'm all surprised how long grapes last. In this one, that's a 0 degrees compartment, so it minimises the bacterial action, particularly useful for meats and fishes, and drinks are really, really nice in 0 degrees. It's as close to frozen as you can get, but still completely usable. So it's kind of like a super fridge chiller area, particularly useful. The freezer, you'll probably notice, got 2 doors as well. So of course there's a very obvious thing. Not only is it frost-free convenience, but when you open one, you don't automatically let all the cold air out the other one. So simple, but very much to the point. Here you've got bottle grippers and all that, so things don't rattle too much, and they're very nice big deep drawers, and these can be lifted out if you don't want to use them. And I'm just leaving this door till the last, so you can see that you've got full electronic controls here, so you can independently set the temperature of the fridge and the freezer anywhere you like, whether you want your fridge on 2 degrees, 6 degrees, depends on what you prefer in your product. 5-year warranty, stylish black steel finish, a lot of fridge freezer from a really good supplier.